Hello, I'm Jade Mindersma. This is Jonathan Kane. We're here to talk to you about triangle bandage. We're going to talk about the different uses of a triangle bandage, the head bandage, arm sling, how to use it as a tourniquet if you don't have your regular tourniquet, wound dressing, packing, securing splints, eviscerated bowels, ankle hitch, and secure an impalement. This is a triangle bandage. Now there's many different ways you can do a head wrap. You can wrap it around like that. You can fold it however that you need. What if you need to secure it around the eye? You can do it like better like this. You can tear a hole in it if you need. Put it. Oh, where's my paper? Oh. sorry. And the stakes. Okay. Okay. Arm sling is next. Okay. You're gonna take your triangle bandage. You're gonna put. You want to secure the arm, so you have your patient hold their arm. Very easy. Put one behind, one in front, and you tie it across their shoulder. For a tourniquet, you want to fold it up, make a knot. Can you hand me my thingies? Make a hole. Can you see me, John? Okay. Make a hole. You need to have. You can double up a pin. Let's just say we're out camping and somebody needs a tourniquet. As I pull my stake out of my tent, because it's metal, tie it down, and now you have a window, and you just keep tight. Yeah, that's good. Let me tell you. Thank you. Regular wound packing and dressing. Fold it up. Put it on your wound, or you can use it for packing. Pack your wound. Securing a splint. Let's see that we have a broken arm or a broken leg. You're gonna put something along the leg or the arm that's broken, and you secure it around it. Boom. Eviscerated bowels. Now this one, you need to have water. You have to wet this before you put it. Eviscerated bowels means if somebody come in and gut you, and your guts fall out, spill out. You wet this as much as you can. Don't worry, it has bacteria. That's the least of your worries. Okay, but you do want to wet it because you don't want it sticking on their intestine. And you just fold it up and tie it around them if you can. If you can't tie it, that's okay. Just wrap it up so that their bowels stay wet. Ankle hitch. Yeah, if you don't mind. You fold it up, and you lay it like an S. You pull this through the one S. Pull this through there, and then you have your ankle hitch. Yeah. Last thing is securing an impalement. Let's say that my honey got stuck and it's in the artery. I will know that because I'm a nurse. Maybe you don't know that, but you're scared because you're like, what if this is a former artery? I take it out. If you are impaled with something, do not take it out. Let a professional, a surgeon, because you don't know. And you might be actually stopping a bleed. You pull it out, they can bleed out and die. There we go. So you wanna keep it as stable as possible. Actually, for this, I would probably tear a hole in it and try to feed it. If that's not gonna stable, it's gonna wriggle it around, then you just do the best that you can do. Tie it around and just very carefully tie it down. There we go. Okay.
Are you in?
Yes. Yes. And guys, that's mostly the triangle bandage. All right. Okay, thanks so much.